for a moment, forget fancy indicators and focus on ease. Yes, because today we're gonna build the simplest trading strategy you've ever seen. Don't be fooled by its ease. This bad boy has the potential to generate astronomical profits. But can simplicity really beat the markets? We will analyze both the strategy and backtest results. So, let's dive into it! For this strategy, we will use the Candlestick pattern pack by TradingView Pro, which is a premium indicator that you can get access by joining on Patreon. This indicator contains all the candlestick patterns that exist so far. They are divided in bullish patterns, as you can see all bullish patterns, and bearish patterns. Today we'll take a look at the bearish pattern called Shooting Star. But what is a Shooting Star candlestick pattern? A shooting star is a bearish reversal candlestick that is characterized by a long upper shadow, a small or non-existent lower shadow, and a small body, at least compared to the wicks. The long upper shadow suggests that sellers were able to push prices down significantly, but buyers were able to step in and close the price near the opening level. This suggests that the uptrend may be losing momentum and that a reversal may be imminent. Let's see some example on the chart. As you can see here, the prices tries to go up, but then the sellers are way stronger than the buyers. That's why we have this long upper shadow. And after this candlestick pattern occurs, as you can see, the prices start to go down. Here we have another great example. As you can see, we have an uptrend, then we have a strong shooting star candlestick pattern, and then the price dumps significantly. It's not always like this. As you can see here, we have a clearly losing trades, but if you compare a profitable trades with the losing trade, you will see that the bigger the upper shadow and the more relevant will be the candlestick pattern. The logic behind this candlestick pattern is absolutely simple, and now we will turn it into a trading strategy using our strategy builder, a powerful tool that allows us to build strategies without coding. Let's build the strategy together. As I was saying before, this is a short candlestick pattern, so we can select here only short, we can turn off long signal and leave only short signal. Here we will select short candlestick pattern and price equal. As you can see now, we enter in a short position whenever we have a shooting star candlestick pattern. In order to avoid some false signals, we can apply a volatility filter based on the average directional index, the ADX. We don't want to enter in a short position when the ADX is below a certain level. In this case, we will set 25 level, because under this level the volatility is too low. We can go here in the short oscillator, we turn on one signal, select ADX, and we want the ADX to be above 25 level. And that's fine. As you can see now, we still have this short position because the ADX is above 25 level. Whereas here there was a short entry signal that is just disappeared because the ADX is below 25 level. Because we want to keep the strategy as simple as possible, we just need to configure our exit signals, and we will set them based on the ATR bands. We go here in the stop loss type and we will select stop loss ATR, whereas for a take profit we will set a risk reward. And that's all, our strategy is ready to backtest. So let's jump into backtest results. We are here on XCN USDT, 1 hour time frame on Bybit exchange, position size $10,000 with fixed amount, 3x leverage, stop loss type ATR, with a length of 10 and multiplier of 2, whereas we will take our profit based on a risk reward of 1.5. As always, a 0.06% commission. And as you can see guys, we have a really spectacular equity line, 543% net profit, 130 total close trades, 56% win rate, 2.17 profit factor, 34% max drawdown, and 1.39% average trade. Net profit / drawdown 10.88, which is absolutely high, max win row 7 and max loss row 4. Monthly table is absolutely good. We have 3 months where the trading strategies has generated 0 profit, and basically there weren't any trades. We have only 5 losing months, but the other are absolutely profitable. Average win 13.8% and average loss 8.40%. We are backtesting with fixed amount, but if we try to change to percentage of equity, so basically we compound our profits, as you can see we have an astronomical net profit of 7,238%. Max drawdown is 41.62%, which is high as well, but something to keep attention is the net profit slash drawdown, which compared to the previous backtest is way lesser. In fact, we have only 3.44. That means that the ratio between the net profit and the max drawdown is not in our favor as the previous backtest. So personally, I would prefer the previous backtest. Of course, this is a degen backtest because as you can see, we have a max win trade of 1,447%, whereas a max loss trade 947%. We could try to reduce a max loss trade because here we have a whole risk settings management. For example, we can set our max loss based on percentage or dollar by checking some trades. As you can see here, we have a spectacular 8.31%, 7.65%, here another 6.66%, and so on. I want to remind you that you can get access to these and other ready-to-use strategies in the Settings Bank Premium channel on Discord. You can get access by joining on Patreon, along with granting access to all the premium indicators.